Which paint sprayer is actually good for trim and doors? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1: VONFORN HVLP Spray Gun. The VONFORN 700W HVLP spray gun caught my eye right away with its range of nozzles and affordable price of $75.88. If you want a user-friendly option that tackles various painting projects, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, mean you can adapt it to any project you have in mind. Plus, it has a unique blowing function to clear dust before spraying, which can save you from a messy finish. With 3,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly popular among DIYers. Now, some people complained about the plastic construction feeling less durable. It gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into DIY projects or if you want something reliable without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty professional use. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the plastic construction concerned you, the next one might be just what you're looking for. Product number 2: LUDERIGNIT HVLP Spray Gun. Next up is the LUDERIGNIT 1000W HVLP Spray Gun, priced at $126.47. This one really stands out because of its powerful motor and larger paint container. If you want efficiency and versatility in your painting tasks, this might be your go-to. With a 1400 ml container, you won't be constantly refilling, which is great for larger projects. It has multiple spray patterns and adjustable flow control, allowing you to tackle everything from fences to furniture with ease. This product has already gained traction with over 400 units sold last month, indicating strong interest. Now, a few reviews mention that it can be tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, while it might take a little extra time, the smooth finish you achieve makes it worth it. If you're serious about your painting, this is a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast tackling various projects around your home. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with a bit of post-project cleanup. Overall, it offers great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a straightforward approach. Product number 3: EnoCraft HVLP Sprayer. Third on our list is the EnoCraft HVLP Sprayer, available for $75.88. This one really impressed me with its user-friendly design and efficient spraying. If you're a newbie looking for a hassle-free experience, this is worth your attention. The EnoCraft features a powerful motor that can deliver smooth, even atomization, which means you get a lovely finish without the need for paint thinning. Also, it has a magnetic base that lets you spray from any angle, which is super handy for reaching tricky spots. With already 400 units sold last month, it's clearly appealing to a lot of folks. Now, some users noted that it can struggle with thicker paints. But honestly, if you stick to latex or water-based paints, you should have no issues. It's designed for the average DIYer, so it shouldn't deter you from trying it out. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward tool that won't complicate your projects. Skip this if you need to use heavy-duty paint. For the price, it's an excellent option that offers great ease of use. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power and capacity, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4: VAVCURAA Paint Sprayer. The VAVCURAA Paint Sprayer is up next, priced at $125.20. This one really caught my attention with its high power and versatility. If you want a sprayer that covers large areas quickly, this is a solid choice. With a 1000W motor and a large 1400 ml container, it can tackle big jobs without needing constant refills. The 6 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns allow you to customize your spray for everything from detailing trim to broad surfaces. A lot of buyers have shown interest, with over 100 units sold recently. However, some users reported needing to clean it frequently to prevent clogs. Here's the thing though, if you clean it after each use, you'll maintain its performance and avoid annoying interruptions. It's just part of good maintenance. This is perfect for you if you're working on bigger projects and need something reliable. Skip it if you're not willing to put in a bit of effort for maintenance. For the price, it's a great investment that should last you a while. Alright, that brings us to our last product. If you're interested in a heavy-duty option for larger projects, this one is definitely worth considering. Product number 5. MA-Xspray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. Finally, we have the MA-Xspray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer, which comes in at $252.98. If you're serious about your painting projects and want something that can handle larger volumes, this is definitely worth a look. This sprayer can handle up to 10 gallons of paint, making it ideal for big jobs, whether you're painting interiors or exteriors. The included accessories make it user-friendly for both beginners and pros, and it has a minimal overspray feature, which is a huge plus for saving paint. This product has already gained traction with over 100 units sold last month, indicating a strong interest. Now, some users mention that it's a bit heavy at 22.5 pounds, which can be cumbersome. But here's the thing, it's designed for serious projects, so a little extra weight might be worth it for the capabilities you get. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tackle large projects efficiently and professionally. Skip it if you're just doing small touch-ups around the house. For the value it offers, it's a great tool for those serious about their DIY or professional painting needs. To wrap things up, we've seen a range of paint sprayers that cater to different needs. VONFORN for budget-friendly versatility, LUDRIGNITE for power, Craft for ease of use, VAVCORAA for coverage, and MA-Xspray for heavy-duty projects. Each has its strengths and is worth considering based on your specific requirements. Happy painting!